Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal information in the Chargemap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the your account section, click on the personal information button. So as you can see, you can upload a photo if you want to. And at the personal information section, you can give your name, your surname, your gender, your town, your country, your date of birth, and your mobile phone as well. And if you scroll down at the public profile information section, you can give a brief description about yourself. And also, if you have a website, you can just type the name of it as well. And once you're done with everything, just click on the save button at the bottom of the page, at the top of the page on the right. And then the settings will be saved. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.